Hey guys, Ben Sherman, owner of GTS Classic Motors LLC. I've had a lot of you guys asking, Ben, where's some more content? Where's some more cars? As you know, my cars don't last long. They sell very quickly. However, I wanted to let you all know I've got 4 great cars going to be posted with comprehensive walkarounds next week, starting with a 70 Grabber Green 351 Cleveland 4-barrel car. Beautiful car, shaker car, traction lock car, factory AC car, black interior. You're gonna love it. Bought it from a guy that we did the restoration on it for him about a year ago, maybe 2. So wonderful car. Got a candy apple red 66, 4 speeds, sport fold down rear seat, style steel wheels, red lines, factory AC. Beautiful car as well. Got 2 Boss 302s coming. So one is medium bright blue metallic, the other one's a special order color. So anyhow, those are coming your way. So for tonight, I said to my wife, I said, well, I got to post something because I have like all these guys asking me to post something. So tonight I'm going to post something that isn't for sale. However, it's a great car. I've owned several Mach 1s over the years. This is a 1969 factory Raven Black R-code shaker Mach 1, factory yellow stripe. I've got a few more details I'm going to do on the car, but this car is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to show it to you guys real quick. Again, I've got some more details. I already have like 25 guys that know me wanting to buy the car. It's not for sale at this point, but I thought you guys would like to see it. So badass car, factory Raven Black. They made 215 C6 automatic carburetor jet shaker cars in Raven Black. This car has been a Pennsylvania car its whole life, 30,000 original miles. Bought it from a really great family. The gentleman's father bought it. They loved this car, and I love this car. It's sitting in my personal garage in my personal collection, but I thought I'd post a little bit of content here on the YouTube just to say hi to all you guys and show you the car. So yeah, it's riding on Magnums. I have the original wheels that come with the car, that will stay with the car, I should say. Again, the car is not for sale. Slats, spoiler, chin spoiler, just a beautiful example. And I've got my own details, guys, coming where I'm going to put all the factory markings on the car. I've got the correct valve covers coming for the car. You all know how I like to do my vehicles, but I wanted to show you guys something cool and get something on the YouTube. Really great example. I've got the correct locks coming for the car. It's got the 8-track in it, which is really special. Pretty cool. And the black paint is like glass on this car. I had a good friend tell me, how do you take care of black paint? And I said, how? And he says, you don't touch it. So that, yeah, it's kind of like this car, but my detailer Jeff is spectacular. This car is just beautiful. I'm not going to open the hood because I haven't done all my special touches that I like to do. You'll notice it's missing the lanyards. I have those coming. I was told by the gentleman his father never wanted the lanyards because he didn't want to bark up the paint. I get that, but I am going to put them back on. This car won't be driven too much. But what we're going to do is Karen's going to get in the car with me and we're going to fire it up and go around the circle, and so give everyone kind of a little test drive. So this car, interestingly enough, was a factory ordered traction lock car in the back. However, he ordered it without power steering and without power disc brakes. So it's a drummy car all the way around, which I think is badass because that's how guys would have wanted to order something to go fast. People don't realize that the disc brake setups added a lot of weight to the car, and so this is a drum brake car all the way around. They're adjusted up. It's a great car. You want to hop in? Hey guys, Mach 1 time. Karen merged the videos in the YouTube and the interweb. I don't know how to do that, but anyhow, here we are. So 69 Mach 1, 428 R-code, cover jet car, traction lock car, factory drummies, factory non-power steering, traction lock car in the back. You can see that shaker going. We're going to drive around the circle here and kind of give you a little drive around here. So, badass car. These cars were like very, very, very hard to control with the 428 carburetor jet. And in the magazine articles, the reason this gentleman ordered it this way is because you could actually control the car and get it to hook up better with the C6 automatic. And I believe that. With a 4-speed, getting one of these to hook up would be very, very difficult. So. Again, we're just going around the block here. Boy, she runs great. Love the shaker. The drum brakes makes a man out of you real quick, as does the non-power steering. But just thought you guys would like to see this car. Wow. So anyhow, guys, stay tuned. I've got a bunch of cars we're going to post next week. Appreciate everyone watching the videos. Appreciate all the likes. Please like the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or want to talk about anything, reach out to me. My personal cell phone number is on the website, www.gtsclassicmotors.com. Thank you all for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.